Others have family.
I knew the pathway like the back of my hand.
They don't. Others have home. They don't. Will they ever feel them? Others have food. They don't. Others have water. They don't. Will they ever taste them? When will they ever fly? Will they ever fly?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Anis Ahlam, and this will be the explication of my poem titled Fly. My poem is about the inequality, the suffering, and the longing for freedom. The poem contrasts the life of people who live in comfort with those who live under occupation, which is the Palestinian. I use a lot of words, others, and they in the poem. It is to highlight the gap between those who have basic necessities and those who are denied these rights. The repetition that I put throughout the poem is to reflect the endless cycle of suffering faced by the Palestinians. Also, the question that I use at the end of each stanza is to reflect the emotion and moral on the situation rather than simply observing. The reason I choose fly as the title of this poem is because fly represents freedom and hope. In hope that one day freedom will no longer be just a question, but a reality for them.